Hello, accounting enthusiasts. Welcome to ActVocab. Ever wondered how businesses keep their finances organized and accurate? It's all thanks to the accounting cycle. But what is it and why is it important? Let's dive in. What is the accounting cycle? The accounting cycle is a step-by-step process that businesses follow to record, organize, and report their financial activities. It ensures all transactions are captured accurately, making financial reporting a breeze. Think of it as the framework for creating reliable financial statements. The 8 steps of the accounting cycle. Step 1. Identify transactions. First, we identify transactions. This means recording every financial activity, like sales, purchases, or expenses. Think of it as your business diary. Step 2. Journalize transactions. Next, we journalize them. Each transaction is recorded in a journal, following the rules of double-entry bookkeeping, where every debit has a matching credit. Step 3. Post to ledger. Now, we organize those journal entries by posting them to the ledger. This step groups similar transactions, like all revenues or expenses, together for clarity. Step 4. Prepare a trial balance. Here comes the trial balance. This is where we double-check that debits and credits are balanced. If they're not, it's time to find the error. Step 5. Adjust entries. Adjusting entries come next. This step accounts for things like depreciation, accrued expenses, or prepaid revenue, ensuring our records reflect reality. Step 6. Create financial statements. Now, we're ready to prepare financial statements, such as the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. These provide a snapshot of your business's performance. Step 7. Closing entries. Closing entries wrap up the period by resetting temporary accounts, like revenues and expenses, to start fresh for the next accounting period. Step 8. Post-closing trial balance. Finally, we prepare a post-closing trial balance to confirm all accounts are accurate and ready for the next cycle. And that's the accounting cycle. It's an essential process for businesses to track their finances and create accurate reports. If this helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick accounting tips. See you next time.